Ba't di ka na banda? Don't to anyone. Anyone. Oh. Tapos patandara. In a far away village. In a far away village. AGE. Oh. Next, anong next sa pamangkot? Ari do. What happens? Ano daw? Sige, sulat. What happens in the story? In the story. Okay. Wala ko pa niya tapos basa ba? Sige, basahan na lang.
One day, Aling Rosa was not feeling well and he was bedridden.
Oh, very good.
She cannot do household chores, so she asked Pinang to cook for them. And like before, Pinang's enthusiasm for doing the chores is
Blonde.
and her mind she would rather want to play inside.
Okay, ibig sabihin sa diri nga parenthesis, ano ibig sabihin?
Si Aling Rosa doon balaan nga.
Hindi, ibig sabihin sa Aling Rosa not feeling well, nagkasakit siya. Tapos, ay ano ibig sabihin sa bedridden? Nagahigda na lang. So ibig sabihin ano dre? So ibig sabihin, since kasakit man siya, hindi niya mahimo ang mga brown sa balay. So sino iyagyang balan?
Si Pinang.
Ano iyagyang niya kay Pinang? Na magluto. Okay, tapos since si Pinang kay tamad man siya, ano ibig sabihin? Wala niya ging pati kay gipili niya nga mas hampang. Very good. Oh, next dire.
Pinang has no choice but forced to follow his mother
her mother
being on the bed and having hard time getting up. But before she even starts to cook, she asked her mother where the cooking ladle is.
Okay.
A minute later, and she came back asking where the other cooking
utensils
are.
And not a
bit after, she came back again asking for another.
Ano ibig sabihin din sa story dire? Ibig sabihin, si Pinang kay wala siya choice kundi magpati sa iya nga nanay. So, ano iyagin mo? Before siya nagluto, namangkot sa iya nanay kung diin ang cooking ladle. Ano ibig sabihin sa cooking ladle? Ibig sabihin ang tawag sila arang ginapang lugay yaw.
Sarandok.
Sarandok. Wala ginapangita ako din sa sarandok. Tapos a minute later, she came back asking ano ibig sabihin sa cooking utensils? Ibig sabihin mga gamit, kunin mga kutsilyo, kunin mga kalaha, amo niya ginapapangita. So, sige siya ka pamangkot kay mamang niya, balik-balik. O, ari naman dre.
Out of anger, Aling Rosa awake and lying on the bed, unable to control his composure, shouted Pinang and tell her to look using her eye and not her mouth, and swearing she wished she could have a many eyes and help
to help her find.
anything she is looking
Okay,
for.
so ano diri ang ano naman, ang story naman diri nga parenthesis.
Nabugtaw na si Aling
Paragraph gali.
Nabugtaw si Aling Rosa
Tapos nangakig siya kay
ay
sige lang ka pamangkot si Pinang. So ano yung gihambal?
nag-wish siya nga damo unta mata ang si Pinang.
Para dali nila makita ang mga gamit. Oo. O sige, diri next naman. Basta dayon para dali ta.
Pinang keeps herself quiet for the whole day and never bother her mom again. By noon, her mother was feeling better and able to carry herself. She gets up looking for Pinang inside their house but can't find. She went outside and still could find Pinang.
And then?
And then she found her.
Tarong. Taas. Sige.
Slippers near a plant she never saw before. There are many eyes around it, or at least looks like and she remembered that what does she said to Pinang, and that she wish she has more eyes for her to see things
She's looking for.
she's
Okay,
looking for.
ano naman diri ang story naman diri nga paragraph. Ibig sabihin, si Pinang after pakig siya nga nanay kay na wala na siya pamakot siya nga nanay. Tapos pagka noon daw kay iya nga nanay kay na okay na. Tapos ano gihimo sa iya nanay pagka okay niya sa iya pamatsyag?
Gipangita niya si Pinang.
Pinang. Tapos pagpangita niya sa balay wala si Pinang. Paggawa siya sa balay, may nakita siya nga chinilas. Diin ang chinilas. Sa gawas, lapit dito sa bag-o tubo nga halaman nga tanom. Tapos nga wala niya pa nakita dati. Tapos ano daw? Damo sang mga mata sa palibot sito nga tanom sa prutas niya sito. Tapos ano dayon na remember niya? Na-remember niya nga
gihambalan niya si Pinang.
masito. Tapos
Aling Rosa was saddened that her words come true. She took care of the plant like it was her daughter and named it Pinang in memory of her daughter. Years later, and the plants multiplied. Her neighbors started calling the plant Piña, and
to these days we call it
Piña.
pinya. Okay, ibig sabihin after sito sa Aling Rosa kay na saddened. Ibig sabihin sa saddened naluya. Kay iya nga bata na himo na pinya. Okay. So dire balik na diri sa question. What happens daw to the story? I-summarize na lang naton. O sige, dire ang answer sa dalom ha. Butang isang dash. Butangin dara sa amo sa naong para kabalo silang answer ni mo na. Okay, o dara ha. Okay, ano yung mga naisip dara? Ano ang story? What happens sa story? Kay Englishan ko lang. Ano yung mga naisip? Sige, butan na lang. Ano ba?
Si Pinang na imo kapit niya.
Amo lang tayo yung mga story dayon. Okay, sige butan dara oh. Sige. In a far away village. Sige. In a far away village there there T-H-E-R-E balik na nga there T-H-E-R-E okay R-E there live alas pa rin ka live L-I-V-E-D V-E-D there live A mother and daughter. A mother and daughter. Yung daughter. Ano spelling ka daughter? Oh? Oh, tuldok. Daughter. Ang last mo to, oh, tina dong. Ang last, oh, ER. Dot lang na. Butang ER, daughter. Okay. Daughter. Aling Ross. But, ay, butang dara. But one day, tandaan mo na, oh, tuldok na, oh, dapat ang ari mo nga big letter na, hindi na gamay. Oh, nan. But one day, Aling Rosa, the mother, ano yung spelling ka mother? Oh, M-O-T-H-E-R. The mother of Pinang was not feeling well. Pinang was not feeling well. Mali spelling ka, feeling mo. F-E-E-L-I-N-G. O, pero pa dahil na feeling well. Spelling ka well kay W-E-L-L. Oh, very good. Not feeling well. And, sige. And she made, dari na, daba na, she, ano spelling ka, she? S-H-E. And she made, spelling ka made, she made a request, sige, request. But she made a request, tama na, she made a request. Q. Paano ang Q? U-E-S-T. But she made a request to her daughter, Pinang. To her daughter, Pinang. Her daughter. Ano spelling ka daughter? R-O. To her daughter, Pinang. To her daughter, Pinang. To her daughter, Pinang. To cook. Ano spelling ka cook? C-O-O-K. To cook for her. Kama. But Pinang was lazy. Ano spelling ka lazy? Z-Y. Very good. Was lazy to do the household. Ano spelling sa household? Wait lang, na to be. Araw, household chores. Household chores. And keeps. Ano spelling sa keeps? Double E ha. K-E-E-P-S. Keeps asking all of the things. Ano spelling sa things? T-H-I-N-G-S. Things to her mother. To her mother. Mother. Ari na dayon, tuldok. Out of anger.
Parang naya.
Hindi, ari lang. Out of anger. Ari lang tatlo ka words. Out of anger. Out of anger. Of anger. Anger. A-N-G-E-R. Out of anger, her mother M-O-T-H-E-R. Her mother wished W-I-S-H-E-D past tense. E-D. Wished E-D. Yan. Wished that her daughter that pinang na lang para dali. That pinang. That T-H-A-T. Yan. That pinang. Ano naman? That pinang could have ang spelling sa could ari could have as many eyes okay, as many eyes, tuldok na. And after that, after, ano spelling sa after? A-F-T-E-R. A-F-T-E-R. And after that, there, ano spelling sa there? T-H-E-R-E. T-H-E-R-E. Wakwin na. And after that, there
Was.
wait lang. There was a plant grew G-R-E-W grew and it resembles. Spelling ka resembles, R-E-S-E-M-B-L-E-S. Resembles like what he said, like what she said, like what she said to pinang. Tuldok. Okay, problem. Problem. Kupihan na problem. What is the main problem or conflict? Sige. What is the main problem or conflict in the story? What is the main problem or conflict in the story? Okay, anong problem dara? Okay, in the story. Once again, next page. Conflict in the story. Ano pinaka main problem? Dere. Sige, butang isa kamo sino. Ano ang pinaka main problem? The main problem, mas kina-answer na. The main problem was pinang always keeps on asking keeps on asking her mother the utensils. Ano spelling sa utensils?
Ayun.
Kabalo ka na?
Ano?
Butang nila S. Utensils. Wala na. Tapos na. Okay, solution. Area solution.
Hindi lang sakit ko.
How is the problem resolved?
Ari, pero pinakalabangan sa'yo.
Sige na.
Okay.
Paspasido kay damo ka pansiran. Agwantada na yun na. How is the problem resolved? Answer. Resolve. Paano na-solve ang problem? Mutang yung dara. Her mother, ay Aling Rosa na lang. Sige, Aling Rosa. Wished, past tense. Wished, ed yan. Wished that her daughter, that pinang na lang. That pinang, that THAT, that pinang could have, COULD, could have more eyes. To easily, ano yung spelling sa easily? EASILY. Find FIND, find things. Tuldok. Next, pinakalas. Ari oli sa likod. What lesson does the story teach? Hi, Pogi.
Meron po na siya.
Harap po di siya? Sige na po, kay Edre yung likod. What lesson does the story teach? Din ka dong? Ay, pagbutungan. May charger na. Ako. Hindi ka malakat, Doy. Sige, dami.
Nay.
Tapos ka na? Sige, ano ang natudlo nga lesson para sa imo?
Kung suguon ka.
Sige. Sige, ano siya kung suguon ka?
Kung suguon ka.
If someone, O-N-E. If someone asks, kulang S, asks you to ask you to ano to kung sugoon magpati. If someone asks you to find things or whatever sige, tama na siya. Whatever, EVER request. Ano yung spelling sa request tong kaina? Araw. Gusto mo magsulat-sulat? Kabulo ka na magdalambid, di pa?
Ano
For whatever request, we must, sige, we must, W-E, we must, no, must, hindi na, baba na, must, M-U-S-T, we must follow, F-O-L-L-O-W, follow, or obey, O-B-E-Y, O-B-E-Y, Eat, I-T, all times. Times. T-I-M-E-S. Okay, next. Nata. Dapat paspasan mo kay maubos ang time, bong. Okay. Next na naman.
Anong oras mo liyaw?
Mauli na ko karon ng dugay, yung mga lasigi. Pabutang yung dala title. Wala na, tapos na na.
May space po?
Dari, butang, dari na butang. Di malibog yung mo teacher pag mag-check. Dari na lang ako para limpyo. Okay naman, butang dara, non-verbal cues. Amo ng lesson. Butang dara, lesson, non-verbal cues. Dapat tarungan mo yung mga talambid, hindi mabasa. Cues. Non-verbal cues. C-U-E-S.